Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to 2. So, we want to find out what number to the power of itself is equal to 2. And let's just start with 1, for example. 1 to the power of 1, we know is equal to 1, and 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So, we already have a value that's greater than 2, meaning our answer isn't a whole number, it's going to be a decimal, and it's somewhere in between 1 and 2. So, now that we know this, let's go ahead and solve this. What I'm going to be starting off with is I'm going to use logarithms. So I'm going to take the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I'll get ln x to the power of x is equal to ln of 2. And if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move b to the front. So this is equal to b times ln a. So if I have something in the form ln x to the power of x, as we have here, I can move the x to the front. So now I get x times ln x is equal to ln 2. Now, what I'm going to be using is something known as the W-Lambert function. And what this states is that if I take the W of something in the form a times e to the power of a, this is equal to a. So, before we even use this, what I'm going to do is rewrite x. So if I have something in the form e to the power of ln of x, this is equal to x because the e and ln cancel out. So I'm going to rewrite x here as e to the power of ln of x. So I get e to the power of ln of x times ln of x is equal to ln of 2. And now, notice how this applies to the W-Lambert function. A in this case is ln of x. So I have a, ln of x, times e to the power of a, e to the power of ln x. So now I can take the W-Lambert function on both sides. I have to do this on both sides. And for my left-hand side, this just turns into a, which is ln x. So I get ln x is equal to the W of ln 2. Now I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So I get e to the power of ln x is equal to e to the power of W of ln 2. And remember, e to the power of ln x, the e and ln cancel out. So I just remain with x is equal to e to the power of W of ln 2. And if you actually plug this, there's no way to solve this by hand, but if you plug this into a calculator, you get that this is equal to 1.559. So this is my solution.